Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
To install HardInfo on Ubuntu, we need to add the HardInfo repository. You can do this with the next command. Update the package list with the following command. Now, we can install HardInfo using the next command. To launch it, go into your desktop, there you will find an icon. Just click on it and you will go into HardInfo. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.